Do you know what animal has reddish-brown fur and a long, fluffy white tail? That's right, the red panda. An adult red panda is usually about 40 to 60 centimeters long, but that doesn't include its tail. Its tail is usually 28 to 59 centimeters. Adult red pandas weigh up to 11 pounds. Red pandas like to live in mountainous regions with lots of forests, places like China. Or Nepal. And even Myanmar. What do red pandas like to eat? They like to eat bugs and insects. Their favorite is bamboo, but they also eat seeds, grass, roots, and even eggs. Red pandas are nocturnal animals. They spend their days sleeping in trees and their nights looking for food. Let's take a look together. The lifespan of a red panda is 8 to 10 years. Though many live in the wild, you can also find them in zoos. This one is looking for grass and roots to eat. Just like cats, red pandas clean themselves by licking their paws. Look at this one's long and fluffy striped tail. He must be getting ready to go to bed. Now you know all about red pandas. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're learning English, don't forget to check out boanalearning.com for additional resources. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more fun educational videos. See you next time.